Hello everyone, welcome back to Can & Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Exporbar dual boiler express machine. For this machine, it was broken because the steam boiler was not heating up and the heating element had to be replaced. This is the old heating element and now it's connected. And as you can see, the boiler is at full pressure. It's just working perfectly fine. The steam is working great. Hot water. Working extremely great as well. Really great temperature. And yeah, that's all we did. We just replaced that heating element. So thank you so much for repairing Can & Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching. We'll wait for the machine to fill up. And as you can see, no leaks or anything. Looking good. One second opposite side. And again, no leaks or anything like that. And now that is full of water. Good. I'm still having good pressure. Alright, thanks for watching.